Top stock market investment trends for 2024. I believe we are heading towards a cashless society. Therefore, even though they are near all-time highs, Visa and MasterCard are adding significant calls for 2025 and 2026. I think they will outperform the S&P in terms of returns over the next 2 years. On the trading group signals that I have, both on MasterCard and Visa calls, we achieved a 2x return in 2023. Back to the S&P in February 2023, I wrote on TradingView about the price target for SPY, the S&P 500 ETF, by the end of the year. After a decline to 376, I expected it to rise to 436. It did indeed drop to 380, but it surpassed my year-end expectations. My price target for 2024 is 540. I know it seems exaggerated, but I foresee with the beginning of interest rate cuts in the middle of this year, the start of a super cycle in the stock market lasting 3-5 years based on artificial intelligence. We are on the verge of the automation and artificial intelligence revolution. Another sector I see growing significantly is biotechnology. Last year, I spoke about genetic editing and the cure of once incurable leukemia with CRISPR technology. CRISPR calls in our trading group increased 4.65 times in 2023. Additionally, you can look for biotechnology companies whose cash and cash equivalents exceed their market capitalization. I leave you to do the research. Nvidia, with a forward price per earnings of 23.70, still seems undervalued to me. The company's CEO announced being at the forefront of major discoveries, even in biotechnology, thanks to artificial intelligence. We achieved a 4.22x return on Nvidia calls in 2023. Also a leader in biotech discoveries is Ginkgo Bioworks, which has a partnership with Google Cloud to build a next-generation platform in biotechnology. Regarding artificial intelligence, I have mentioned several times in the trading group that Microsoft will be the big winner of the AI race. There may be some turbulence this year, especially when Bill Gates' name is associated with Jeffrey Epstein case. However, Microsoft can continue to grow even without him. We achieved a 4.15x return on Microsoft calls in 2023. Regarding Bitcoin, I believe it has the potential to reach $80,000. But I don't understand why it's not priced in the risk of a hack caused by quantum computers. But if Larry Fink is not afraid, why should we be? In the next 40-50 years, there will be no difference between the abilities of ancient gods and the power of people on Earth. And the most achievable target now would be the beauty of Aphrodite. Novo Nordisk has launched a treatment that appears once in a generation, Ozempic and GLP-1 antagonists. Initially created for diabetic patients, Novo's treatment has proven effective for weight loss. People lose an average of 6.4 kilos and no longer crave junk food. It's just a matter of time until chips and other junk food manufacturers announce a revised downward outlook. I noticed some particular out-of-the-money calls on Novo Nordisk last summer when the stock was below $80, equivalent before the 2-for-1 split. This year, you can expect spectacular results for Eli Lilly and Amgen, which is announcing results in a phase 2 clinical trial in the same field. And if you want to stay informed about everything happening daily on the stock market, I invite you to my international trading group. You can find a link in the description of this video. Of course, everything we discuss is not financial advice and you will need to conduct your own research before entering the trades I mentioned. You can also follow me on TradingView, where if you write me, I will activate a trial for some of the best buy and sell indicators on the market. I wish you an exceptional year of trading in the capital markets.